We got some selfie video from the Pixel 6 Pro. I'm out here next to where I work, and it's a nice fall day. Not too hot, not too cold. And this is what the selfie camera looks like. Let me know what the audio sounds like as well. Yeah, Pixel 6 Pro, guys. This is a wide angle test on the Pixel 6 Pro. I have the ability to shoot some video today, which is super cool. Let's try taking a photo as I'm shooting, see how that does. But if you notice, the stabilization is actually pretty good. Zooming is going to be pretty smooth, and then I can't tell if it's just as I'm shooting, it looks a little bit fuzzy, but definitely a huge improvement over the 5 and the 4 XL. Let me know how the audio sounds. I mean, the HDR looks great. It looks like a Pixel photo. Got great blues, great colors, great zoom. Get all the way in there. And actually, look at that stabilization. That's really nice. That is really good. Definitely aggressive, but it's definitely, it's a long zoom. Like, look at that. Yeah, that looks nice.